All right, we're gonna switch gears again, back to helicopters. Right now we got Jesse Cavros going up with the new JR Forza 450 helicopter. This helicopter is really smooth and quiet, and it's really a blast to fly. You can lower the head speed like this and cruise around a little more, or as I assume Jesse's gonna do at the end of the flight, just kick up the head speed and show you some aggressive smack flying. The head speed goes up, so does the aggressiveness of the flying, as you can see. This helicopter comes in a combo kit. You can buy the kit with servos, motor, and ESC. I think Jesse's using the stock kit with the JR Flybarless DS21 servo. Jesse's also running the stock ESC that comes with this helicopter, and he's using an upgraded motor, but it's still, you can buy it from JR. It's actually a Scorpion motor, but it's a JR version of the Scorpion motor. The canopy for this helicopter comes in 3 colors. We got the yellow, which you see here. There's also a red and a green. I'm sure you'll see all of those at some point during this weekend. Jesse utilizing all the airspace in this tiny building. This helicopter is running on a 6S power system, 6S 1200 Gen Ace battery. Provides excellent power and really long flights, as you can see. Been flying for quite a few minutes now. Inverted landing. It's impressive. Get out for Jesse Cavros. Now we're going to switch to fixed wing. We got Cameron Irwin out here. He's flying a TAS Foamy. This model is also running all JR equipment. He's running the JR 290G servo, which is the same as I was running in the helicopter that just flew. Cameron's also running the new XG14 radio with the JR DMSS modulation. When Cameron's not busy flying indoor foamies, he also competes in IMAC competitions, which is with giant scale airplanes. This airplane's maybe got a wingspan of 40 inches or so, and the big 40% airplanes that they fly in the IMAC competitions are 130-inch wingspans. It's really big, and Cameron's does very well and is very prominent in the IMAC scene as well. Give it up for Cameron Irwin.
There we go. We got, again, like I said, Kyle Dahl flying the new JR Forza 450. This helicopter is a stock kit right out of the box. And as you can see, it has a lot of power. The stock electronics for this one are the Flybarless DS21 servos for the cycling, and then a tail servo is the DS3500G from JR. All this is controlled by the new JR XG14 radio. For pretty much out of the stock, basic kit. This is what you get at all the performance that this machine can offer. It does really, really well. JR Forza 450. Thanks for coming out to the JR Americas demo.